Okay, so I'm gonna get you started on this one just because number one is a little bit tricky, and you'll see why. So I'm gonna go ahead and I want to decompose the 28 and 3/5. So I have negative 12 times 20 plus 8 plus 3/5. Okay, again, I'm on page 93, if I didn't mention that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to distribute my negative 12 to get negative 240. Then I'm going to distribute my negative 12 to my 8, so negative 96. And I'm going to distribute my 12. Remember that all you have to do is multiply this times the numerator because the 12 is over 1. So multiply times the numerator. 12 times 3, we get a negative 36 and over 5. Sorry, negative 36 fifths. So then I'm going to rewrite this, and it's going to be a lot simpler if I just rewrite it as a mixed number. So I'm going to have 240 plus negative 96 plus negative 7 1/5. Right? If we don't remember how to change that to a mixed number, it is just 5 into 36. Goes in 7 times, 35, 1. So 1 becomes my numerator and keep the same denominator, 7 1/5. So they're all negative, so I know my answer is going to be negative. So I'm going to put that over here, my negative answer. And then all I'm going to do is add all of these up and keep the 1/5. So I'm going to add 240 plus 96 plus 7. 3, 13, 14, 3, and I'm going to keep this 1/5. We can't forget it. We need to add it to our answer. So my final answer is 343 1/5. Now for the other ones, you can solve however you want. You will have access to a calculator for the decimal ones, but please try to decompose 4 and 6. I would like to see that work shown. So they'll probably draw it, so please show your work on these. I will help you decompose and get those started for you. So number 4 is going to be decomposed. I'm actually going to rewrite it. Is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to go 30. I'm going to switch the sides, and I'm going to decompose the fraction as 10 plus 5 plus 1/3. Go ahead and try and solve it this way. I think this will be easier. And then same thing down here. I'm going to have 8 times 100 plus 60 plus 8 plus 3/4. So try to solve these. I know it's a little bit tricky, but try to solve these two this way and then use the calculator for these ones. So I do want to see work shown on 4 and 6.